We have hit the part 3 questions. Every part 3 question is worth 4 points apiece. So there's a lot of partial credit here that you guys can grab onto, okay? So this is page number 14, the first part 3 question, number 33, solve for all values of P. Now, Lauren McGuire is going to pick up right away. It does not say algebraically anywhere, guys. So you could end solve this right from the beginning, and you're going to get your answers. Now, remember, you should put P equals 100 and P equals negative 100 because you might get more than one answer. But I'm going to show you algebraically how to do this. This is one of those equations where we're going to put the parentheses on the outside and we're going to get rid of the denominator. And we're going to do that by multiplying through by one of everything down there that you see. So I have a P minus 5. And I have a P plus 3. I have a P plus 3, but because it's already here, I do not have to multiply by that. Okay, so my common denominator is a P minus 5 and a P plus 3. So when I distribute all the way through here, okay, this P minus 5 crosses off this P minus 5. So I'm going to multiply by P plus 3. Okay, I'm going to actually just do that right now. So 3P times P is 3P squared. 3P times 3 is 9P. All right, now I'm going to distribute to here. This P plus 3 crosses off this P plus 3, and it leaves you with P minus 5. Now, you got to watch out for minus signs. All right, so this is a negative 2. So negative 2 times P is negative 2P. And negative 2 times negative 5 is positive 10. You got to watch out for that, okay? That's where they're going to get you. And equal sign. And we're going to distribute all the way over to here. This P plus 3 crosses off that P plus 3. So we're going to multiply by P plus 5. So P times P is P squared. P times negative 5 is negative 5P. All right, so that's your equation that you want to end up solving. Notice it is a quadratic, so you want to get it equal to 0. Add 5P, add 5P. My kid just announced on Alexa, so that was fun. 3P squared, take away P squared is 2P squared. All right, here we go. 9, take away 2 is 7, plus 5 is 12. Plus 10. Boom. Now we got it equal to 0. Now we can factor it. Now Schneider on your shoulder is going to say, look for a GCF. There is one. It is 2. Leaves you with P squared, 6P, 5. And the reason we want to get that GCF out is because that makes this a lot more easy. A lot more, oh my God, who am I today? It makes it a lot easier to factor. Okay, here we go. P. Factors of 5 that add to be 6 are 5 and 1. Signs are the same. They're both positive. And then we're going to solve it. In this case, P is negative 5. P is negative 1. This is not a root because it doesn't have a variable. And then we have to take these answers and just make sure that they work. So you'd come up here and say, what can P not be? It cannot be 5. P cannot be 5. Well, I'm okay because I got negative 5. And what can P not be here? P cannot be negative 3 because that would give me undefined fractions. And I didn't get that answer. So these are both good solutions. And there's page number 14.